We are getting really good interactions and a lot of comments on our videos.
Today, I'm with Jonathan from the Lucids Dream Network, who's going to tell us all about how Pictory is helping him with his business. Firstly, thank you for joining me, Jonathan.
You're very welcome. It's such a pleasure, and thank you for having me on board.
First of all, please tell me a little bit about your company.
We are a social media and entertainment and content creation agency.
And where are you based?
We're based out in the Pacific Northwest and currently also in the Philippines.
Please tell me how Pictory is helping you.
It's been helping me with advertising and marketing of our promotional and services by being able to create videos in a timely manner and be able to help us promote quickly to when we need advertising for our events.
Okay, that's great. Which functions within Pictory are you using?
The script to video editor.
Wonderful. And what do you do with the videos once you've created them?
We promote them on all social media platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, and also Facebook. And then we also hand them to different distributions as well.
Okay, this is really good. So perhaps you can speak to some of the results that you're getting with the videos that you've produced.
And the results are that we are getting really good interactions and a lot of comments on our videos, and also like them for the promotional uses, being able to also add music in their direction as well.
That's great. When you write the script for the video, do you write that yourself or do you use some AI to help you?
Both.
And which do you find gets the best traction?
Using AI.
Wow, that's really interesting. So AI is actually producing really good scripts for you now.
Yes, it is.
What would a typical video script contain? Are you promoting an individual artist or are you promoting your company in general?
Both. If it's an event, I'd be promoting the artists that are actually at that event. And then also for services, I'd actually use our organization for promotion and marketing purposes to help the artists.
And roughly how long do you think each video is?
About 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, so they're relatively short videos which you're then posting across your socials and your engagement has increased as a result of that.
Yes, that is correct.
Before you were using Pictory, how were you making your videos?
I would use software like Canva. I use a lot of Canva app, or I use a Photoshop Premiere as well.
And are you finding that Pictory makes it quicker to create videos?
Yeah, it makes it a lot quicker to create videos. And you guys have quite a few different templates that help out a lot with the organization, and especially with it being so vast in your music, it also helps with that because that's what attracts others.
What would you say to somebody who has never used Pictory before?
I would say it's a wonderful tool to use, and it will help them implement what they want for video editing and software to be able to help promote their marketing services.
Thank you very much for being so generous with your time. I know it's getting late over in your part of the world.
Hey, no problem. Thank you for having me. It's been such a pleasure.